What's good, y'all? Welcome to today's video. First and foremost, let me say welcome to all the new subscribers that came. We jumped from like 230 subscribers to about 1,100. I'm sorry, 1,100 and some change. So thank you all for subscribing. I got some more content for y'all. Last vlog was up to maybe 23,000 views right now. So I wanted to get that out the way and tell all you guys thank you and appreciate you. But today, my boy Like Magic from the last video, my detail guy, he got a 1-year anniversary going on, and he's doing like a car meet. So since he showed me love and came to mine and did what we had to do, I'm gonna go over to his car meet and see all the cool cars today. And y'all already know, Big Red right behind me, 700 horsepower Civic. So let's take that ride. Let's go. And again, thank you all for watching. I love every single one of y'all. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm here again with my boy Like Magic. Y'all know what it is, man. We over here, I'm showing support. It's his 1-year shop anniversary. We're doing it over here on his neighborhood, his block. So he's over here washing cars still. I'm over here.
Hey man, you already know Like Magic, all the details. 1-year park and chill anniversary here. Just celebrating my 1 year of having my shop up and running. You know, I'm excited to see all the cars that came out today. I didn't even expect, not even half of the cars that came out today, but you already know the block is full. Cars are still showing up. You already know.
And let's explain to everybody, because I want to touch on this subject. Let's explain to everybody how important it is to show your friends support. You know what I'm saying? I'm over here supporting him. He was over there last vlog supporting me. And this is how things work, man. You got to show everybody love. You got to support your friends whenever they do something, man.
It's free to support, bro. It's free.
Yeah. So I just wish everybody follow our footsteps and do the same things. But we're gonna get back to this B-roll. I love y'all. Thank you for the 23,000 views. It's 23,000 views.
23,000?
Yeah.
Get out of here. God,
yeah. So I'll see y'all in a little bit.
The magic touch.
I'll put the link of his YouTube channel down below also. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Yo, I'll be honest with y'all, my man Like Magic got the block on tilt, super tilt.
All the way up the board.
crazy out here. It's crazy. It's lit. Y'all see me, man. Chopper, y'all know what's up, man. I'm mad where everything is at. Let me show you this Oldsmobile. And see, show y'all what he working with. Got it up on 3 wheels right now, so. It's crazy. It's the owner right here, huh? You're the owner, right?
That's right, that's right.
You want to give a shout out or anything on the video?
G-Fan Customs in the building, baby.
Alright.
Like magic, man. We're here to support, man. You know what I mean?
That's what's up, that's what's up. Let me show you guys this Oldsmobile here, man. It's crazy. This car is bugged out. One, two, three, four, 6 batteries that I can see. Who knows how much more is in there? Hydraulic pumps. We got some music in there for you guys. This thing is insane. And we in New York. This ain't the West Coast. So I know a lot of y'all West Coast that watch my channel. I know y'all gonna appreciate this right now, my West Coast people. Look at this thing. Look at this. It's crazy. I gotta look over the fender. Alright guys, so me and Big Red, we made it home safe and sound. You know I always like to show you guys when I make it home, you know what I'm saying? It gives you guys maybe peace of mind, know I got back, everything's okay. But I had a good time at Like Magic. I had to leave, the meet still going on, but I had to leave because I got a couple things to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and show love, man. But I want to touch on one thing that I mentioned before. Please show your friends support, man. It don't cost anything to show support. And remember, everybody's working towards their goal. And you have to respect that, you know what I'm saying? So please, if you guys got a friend that you see him grinding, you see him working, and you see him moving forward, support him. Show him love, you know what I'm saying? Just I just wish everybody be more kind, you know, and respect other people as much as I think they should, you know. And that's just the message I want to leave you guys out with. Always show your friends support. And like I always like to say, it's your boy Chopper out of here. See ya.